My name is Mike Hill. I'm from Nitro, West Virginia, and I am the Collision Center Director for Todd, Judy Ford. In college, I worked for Enterprise Rent-A-Car, so I started off washing cars. I've always had the passion for vehicles, any type of automobile, and it's a passion for me to work in this type of environment every day. My favorite part about it is taking care of our customers. Wrecking your vehicle puts a lot of people in disarray, and getting their vehicle back to them in a timely manner and getting their lives back to normal is what drives me every day. A lot of our customers don't have rental coverage on their policies, so fortunately we're able to get people into a loaner vehicle or a rental vehicle here at the dealership, and it's no out-of-cost pocket for them a lot of times, so we have that ability in tight scenarios to help them out. I have two young daughters who are very involved in extracurricular activities, so I coach my oldest daughter's 11 and 12 Little League softball team. I am also an elected city councilman in Nitro, so I do quite a bit of things outside of work as well. Right out of high school, I went straight into college for almost 6 years, and they call a lot of those people doctors. It was more important to me at the time to make money and be with my wife, so college took a back seat, and I recently finished, actually this semester, 15 hours to complete my bachelor's degree. I would say that if your vehicle was in an accident, a collision accident, even if you just want minor dents, dings, scratches repaired, that I can promise you will not find more compassionate people about your vehicle than at Todd, Judy Ford.